Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you step-by-step demo how AIGencify works. AIGencify is the world's first AI agency operating system, an all-in-one platform that helps you start, run, and scale a six-figure AI-powered agency faster than ever. In an era where 83% of small businesses are struggling to adapt to AI-driven marketing trends, AIGencify bridges the gap, giving you ready-to-launch agency blueprints, built-in clients, and AI tools that automate content, funnels, outreach, and delivery, all from one login. It's not just another tool, it's your AI business partner that helps you attract clients, close deals, and deliver results on autopilot.
In this quick video, I'll show you over my shoulder how AIGencify empowers anyone, complete beginners or agency owners, to start, run, and grow a profitable agency in minutes using 6 AI-powered tools in one dashboard. No tech skills required, no monthly fees. Your all-in-one AIGencify dashboard consolidates everything you need to build and scale your agency in any of 16 hot niches, from AI automation to social media marketing and more. No more juggling dozens of disconnected tools. Everything works seamlessly in one place. First, we have the Agency Accelerator Blueprint. This step-by-step roadmap gives you everything to set up a ready-to-profit agency. 16 done-for-you niches, pre-written offers and pricing templates, proven lead sources, ready-made outreach scripts. Simply pick your niche and your blueprint guides you through every step. No guesswork. Next, finding clients becomes effortless with Agency Client Finder. In seconds, you can uncover verified, ready-to-pay leads across different industries, complete with emails and phone numbers, social profiles, website, data schema and SEO gaps. Pitch smarter and close faster without cold calling. Need high-converting UGC content? Meet CopyFusion AI, your AIGencify personal AI copy assistant. Just type a keyword and it writes sales pages, email sequences, proposals and contracts, social posts and ads, blog articles. Even better, CopyFusion AI learns your unique voice, so every piece feels like it was written by you. It goes beyond generic AI tools. It offers unique first-to-market features such as multi-source knowledge fusion. Upload your client documents, emails, websites, PDFs, and even chat messages. CopyFusion blends them all into human-sounding, hyper-relevant copy. Smart Brand Voice Engine. Set your tone once and every word matches your brand automatically. Human-like UGC content. Generate content that reads like real customer stories and testimonials. SEO-optimized copy. Create blog posts and pages designed to rank on Google and Bing right out of the box. With CopyFusion AI, you'll write smarter, rank higher, and close clients faster, without ever starting from scratch. Social media is a breeze with SocialMancer. This AI-powered manager creates, schedules, and auto-publishes scroll-stopping content across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Threads from a single place. Generate captions, images, and hashtags. Auto-schedule campaigns. Monitor performance in real time. Then there's Launch Site AI, the fastest way to build stunning websites and sales funnels. Drag-and-drop editor. Conversion-optimized templates, dynamic personalization, no coding, no extra fees. Launch pro-level funnels in minutes. Following up with clients, Inbox Surge AI automates your email and SMS outreach. Pre-written agency templates, multi-channel messaging, automated follow-ups, real-time analytics. Never lose a lead again. And here's the best part. All 6 tools work together seamlessly to help you find leads, generate assets, close clients, deliver services, manage everything without overwhelm. With AIGencify, you can start an agency in any of 16 high-paying niches: AI automation, chatbots, video marketing, social media, and more, with everything done for you or generated in seconds. Watch how easy it is to create a landing page, write persuasive copy, schedule a month's worth of social posts, and follow up with leads automatically, all in under 15 minutes. If you want to ditch the overwhelm, save thousands on tools, and launch your agency the easy way, AIGencify is your complete agency operating system. Try it now and see for yourself why marketers, freelancers, and beginners everywhere are calling this the #1 AI app for agency success.